Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to generate QR code or display QR code on LiveChat. So to start, open LiveChat on your device. Now, once you open LiveChat, at the top you have three options there. You have Team, Archives, and Share Feedback. So click on Team. Now, at the top right, click on the plus icon. So here you have two options. Tap on Display QR Code. And that's basically it. That's how you can generate or display your QR code on live chat. So they can quickly sign in or accept the invite links without typing the link manually. Now, if you can find the QR code option, what you can do is to click on team again, click on the plus icon at the top right, and click on share invite link. You can click on copy and you can share it to your friends. You can share it to social media like Messenger, X, Instagram, and the people who you share it with, they can click on that and they can access your workspace. And that's it. Thanks for watching.